Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to draw Dodge Charger Hellcat easy method. Start by sketching a long side profile with simple shapes and light strokes to map proportions. Mark wheel centers, window edges, and hood angles so symmetry stays correct. Block in wheel circles and refine the body curves, then place grille and headlight shapes. Practice these basics slowly and enjoy the process and practice often. Begin with accurate wheel spacing to establish the Charger's stance and proportion. Use light strokes so corrections are easy. Sketch the wheel arches as rounded rectangles, then fit circles inside for tires and rims. Lay the roofline and hood as continuous smooth curves, making sure the windshield angle matches the muscle car profile. Adjust proportions by eye, step back, and erase stray lines before moving to finer details, keeping patience as your ally. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to carry reference photos and sketch guides everywhere, so inspiration is always handy. It feels great for reading and flipping through car reference images between sessions, and it's lightweight for studio or travel use. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on the distinct front fascia by blocking in the grille and headlight clusters with confident strokes that capture attitude. Carve subtle panel lines, vents, and the Hellcat badge to convey the model's identity without overworking small areas. Choose a single light source and shade panels consistently to suggest volume, using softer strokes for reflections and harder edges for panel seams. Finish by cleaning lines and boosting key highlights for a lively result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.